Myntri tnad Pule Puthi ka sorkar Jylla Rakkam A Sangma. Haka Sngi baar ula pynbna ba namar tarik kaha haka Sngi U Blei. Kumta ka jingrakhe ka jingdap sau Snem ka National Education Policy arjar arphau La Pynkynriah no haka Sngi Nyngkong kata ka arphandai tarik Naitung. Kumta la kyntu baroh ki jingrakhe ki badai kato ka Sngi ki skul bat ki jaka Pule Puthi no haka Sngi Nyngkong.
6 hafta, that is Education Week, Minister of Education, Government of India, which is supposed to celebrate the 4th year of NEP 2022 in India. So it is supposed to celebrate from 22nd of July to 28th. So in the state of Meghalaya, we have begins its program from yesterday, that is on 22nd of July, and it will continue till 28th of July 2024. Since the last day, this 28th falls a Sunday, the day of Christ's resurrection day for us, for the Christian community. So in the state of Meghalaya, instead of Sunday, we will observe and celebrate on Monday, that is 29th of July 2024. This is to inform to everyone of the state, to all the education institutions, that the Education Week, it is a 6th September. Instead of 28th July, we will celebrate is on 29th July, that is on Monday.